guys, today's video is just going to be tips on organizing your closet, and if you would like to see a closet tour from me, make sure to thumbs up this video, but these are just going to be some tips and tricks that I use when I organize my closet. So the first thing you want to do, and I think this tip works the best, is take absolutely everything out of your closet, and I do mean everything. You'll be surprised to see the things that you have in your closet. You'll find some pretty cool pieces that you might not even remember you had that get tucked away behind things. So take absolutely everything out of your closet. It's also going to give you like a fresh start to the organization process. The next thing I would suggest you do is create two piles, a pile of what you're going to keep and a pile of what you're going to give away or donate or sell, whatever you want to do with those clothes that you have left over. So by making the two piles, I also want to say don't hold on to things that you haven't really worn for a really long time. You probably aren't going to wear them again, and it would be best to just get rid of them and make room for new pieces. So the next thing that you want to do is decide which way you're going to organize your closet. You can organize by color or you can organize by category. For me, I like to organize by category because that's what works best for me. When I wake up in the morning, I don't have the thought of, oh, I want to wear blue today. I think more along the lines of the weather and what that's like, so I know what type of sweater or shirt I want to wear, but I never know what kind of color I wear. So I found that when my closet was organized by color, it was just defeating the purpose, and it took a lot more time to figure out what I wanted to wear. So like that, you know, you just want to figure out which is going to work best for you. Like I said, the category thing works best for me. And then the next tip I would have is to see what your closet size can hold and maybe get some cute little organization things. The two places that I would recommend getting organization things for your closet would be IKEA and the Container Store. They have really cheap and cute, affordable pieces that you can get for your closet that may help you organize better and stuff like that. So the last and final tip I would have is if you have a small closet, invest in some under the bed storage. They have really great containers at like Target, and they're not that expensive at all. And what you can do is just switch out your clothes by season. So if it's summertime, you can put all your winter stuff in the bins under your bed. That way it's still easy to access those items, but you can better see the items that you probably are going to be wearing the most during the summer in your closet. And then you can have more clothing items even if you do have a small closet. So I hope all those tips were helpful for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!